Hello students, this is Teacher Bong. Good afternoon. Today is October 13, Thursday. Just done with classes for today, batch B. And I made this video kasi I just want to flex what I've got from grade 9 Kamagong during my class. During my class late this morning, they were not around because they were baking some kind of stuff, rather. And in the afternoon, those students that were not around during my class came to me this afternoon, and they said they have something to give me. So this is it. I want to flex it. This is what their product is. Pandesal. They are bread and pastry students of Ma'am Adeluisa Necesario, and this is their product. Pandesal siya. And the other one is a loaf bread, but I want to taste the pandesal lang. For me, with regards to their pandesal, okay siya. It's not too sweet. You will only taste a little amount of sugar. It's just it seems that the sweetness of the pandesal is just coming from the flour itself. So there is no worries with regards to sugar, and with regards to the salt itself. It's not salty. It's just, for me, it's enough. And with regards to the texture, okay ang texture. Since it's already 4:30, it's already 4:40, so I'm going home. Mag-log out muna ako from the biometrics there in the office, and I need to bring this home, and I'm gonna have some coffee at home. So thank you guys. Thank you, grade 9 Kamagong. I'll cherish this for a moment. I'll cherish this for the moment. Thank you. So just got home from school. May gagawin ako. Ito na po yung coffee. And of course, the pandesal. And I'm gonna be making a test questionnaire for the first quarter examination and the table of specification. And I am sleepy and I need a coffee break, so mag-coffee muna ako. Pasensya na sa mga background noise kasi ang daming tao sa bahay. I need extra careful kasi my previous laptop I got lost. Nasira. Lost it. But actually nasira talaga. Kasi ang dami niyang maliit na ants. Yung mga maliliit, yung black ants na nangingitlog. Ang dami niyang pumasok sa laptop at nasira yung motherboard ko. Motherboard pala ng laptop. Ang sayang. See? So dapat medyo malayo sa laptop. Okay talaga yung texture ng kanilang pandesal. Sarap. I gotta work na.
So I have to start working now. Kaninang umaga, late this morning, may ano na po ako, nagawang partial output of the TOS. Ito na po siya. This is the TOS. Okay, ayan. Tapos, I also have the questionnaire here. This is for Science 9. However, with regards to the competencies, hanggang ano lang po ako. Hanggang biodiversity. Population and biodiversity. Hanggang dun lang po yung na-cover ko for the first quarter. So if ever you like this template, this is actually automatic. May computation na po siya for the weight and computation na po siya. That one. For the weight, easy, average, difficult, number of items. Okay. If ever you like this template, just message me in and I will give you a copy of this. That's all for this episode. Thank you guys for